Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I really appreciate the time that you invest in watching my videos. Now, today's video is another in the series of Keep Portland Weird. So far, I've done a lot of them. You might remember that weird museum that I went to, and you might remember the strange frozen dessert place with the secret entrance to the coffee shop. Today we're at the aquarium. Only this is the Portland Aquarium, as you can see there, but there aren't any real fishes there. It's just fake ones. And this is done by the same guy who did the cafe and golf place that was in the Keep Portland Weird series as well. So let's go see what these fish look like really. Hi, and your name is?
Hi, I'm Melody.
Hi, Melanie. So tell me about this place a little bit.
So the Portland Aquarium is Mike's latest art installation. Everything's handmade. Tickets come with a compendium, which is a book written by a marine biologist to guide your tour. The summer was really busy, but we've definitely slowed down a little now that the kids are in school, so a good time to come swim by.
Okay, well, thanks for talking with us.
Absolutely. Thanks for coming today.
You bet.
Alliance that works with free sea otters back to Oregon's coastline and big fish lab, shark research group at Oregon State.
So you see, you can get some of the things that are in here, some of Mike's art. Kids would probably really enjoy it. There are magnets, there are pins, there are cups, there are fluffies, plushies, I guess they're called these days. You can see there are stickers and photos. That's Mike right there. Okay, let's go see what it's all about. So yeah, if you've seen the other one where we did Mike's cafe and mini golf course, you may remember these sorts of drawings. Whoa.
I got it. Greetings, explorers. I'm Dr. Wade C. Bennett, head of the Cascadia Marine Lab. And well, an early wake was gonna rock in a very hard place. And I need your help. While tracking a legendary giant squid, we seem to have gotten a bit stuck near the ocean floor. Not a deal, but a true recruit. A brilliant head marine biologist Chanel and I discovered a new habitat, Bennett's Bay, named for its regal beauty. Chanel cataloged all the incredible species in your compendium, a very important tool, but someone still needs to spot these animals. That's where you come in. I, Dr. Wade C. Bennett, hereby deputize you as official Bennett's Bay field observers. Your mission is simple. Log every creature. Oh, and keep an eye out for my beloved goldfish Gilly. She's gone rogue again and I miss her dearly. Quick safety reminders for exploring Bennett's Bay. Swim slowly. No touching the habitats. Watch out for tripping hazards. Don't go backwards. It's a one-way current. And lastly, have fun. Bennett's Bay is beautiful and full of surprises. I can't wait to hear what you've discovered. Okay, I gotta go. I have pressing matters to attend to. Good luck out there. I know the mission is in good hands. Bennett's Bay awaits. Now, fellow explorers, dive in.
reminds me of my black light days back in the 70s. He's done a good job with his art, that's for sure. Looks like he has a lot of fun. Certainly has. Most of these pieces have a smile or a mischievous grin or wink. So if you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back because you deserve it. One of the things that's starting to happen on YouTube now is there's this hype button for the first 7 days this video is up. So if you see this video in the first 7 days that it's up, hit the hype button and it gives me, it sends out the video to a lot more people, which will be really helpful for me. Also, if you liked what you saw, you thought it was interesting, hit the like button and give it a thumbs up. Comment, let me know what you think of this place. If you hit the hype button in the first 7 days, I think there's no comments, I'm not sure. But if it's after that time, please comment and let me know. I might take next week off, but I'm not sure. In any case, I can always use subscribers, so you might consider subscribing. And no matter if we're here next week or the week after, we're going to have something completely different. And I will see you next time.